Gold's stunning surge, a safe haven in turbulent times. Gold prices are soaring to unprecedented heights, breaching the $4,300 per ounce mark and poised for their most impressive weekly performance in half a decade. This dramatic rally, fueled by a perfect storm of global uncertainties, has investors flocking to the precious metal as a reliable store of value. But what's driving this surge, and is it sustainable? Here's the breakdown. A perfect storm of uncertainty. U.S. banking jitters. Concerns about the health of regional banks in the United States are sending shockwaves through the market, prompting investors to seek refuge in assets perceived as safe. Global trade tensions. China's accusations against the U.S. regarding export controls, particularly on rare earth minerals, are escalating tensions and adding to the economic uncertainty. Interest rate cuts on the horizon. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller's support for further rate cuts, driven by labor market worries, is making gold even more attractive. Lower interest rates diminish the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets like gold. The numbers tell the story. As of early Friday, spot gold had climbed 0.3% to $4,336.18 per ounce, after touching a record high of $4,378.69 earlier in the session. U.S. gold futures for December delivery surged 1% to $4,348.70. This week alone, gold has gained approximately 8%, its best weekly performance since March 2020, with each trading session marking a new record high. Beyond gold, a mixed picture for precious metals. While gold shines, other precious metals present a more nuanced picture. Spot silver, though dipping 0.7% to $53.86 per ounce, is still on track for a weekly gain, having reached a record high of $54.35 earlier. Platinum and palladium, however, experienced slight declines of 0.7% and 0.4% respectively, though both are headed for weekly gains. Expert Insights and Future Prospects. KCM Trade Chief Market Analyst Tim Waterer suggests that gold could reach $4,500 per ounce sooner than anticipated, but cautions that this depends on the persistence of concerns surrounding U.S.-China trade tensions and the ongoing government shutdown. The bigger picture, geopolitical underpinnings. Geopolitical tensions continue to play a significant role in gold's ascent. The planned summit between U.S. President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin regarding the Ukraine war, along with Western sanctions on Russian oil firms, contribute to the overall climate of uncertainty. Food for thought. Gold's remarkable rally raises important questions. Is this a temporary safe haven surge, or a sign of deeper economic troubles ahead? Will central bank actions and geopolitical developments continue to propel gold prices higher, or will other factors come into play? What's your take on gold's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below.